What's going on, guys? My name is Alex and I'm with Brandon, and you're watching the very first RSK video.
Whoa! Yay! Yay! What's good, everyone? It's Brandon here from RSK, Sydney, Australia, repping. This is my 2008 Mazda 3 MPS BK model. Come check it out. Mind the mess. There's a lot of fires going on in Australia right now. Both the cars are very messy at the moment, so don't judge. And don't look at that. Don't look at this. Hey. Oh man. Whoa. Yeah, I'm running 19 by... I don't know what the offsets and that is, but Hustlers. Nothing on springs or anything yet, hence why it still looks like a monster truck. That's pretty much it for like exterior. I'll take under the hood first. Alright, so mind the dirty engine bay. I've got steel top mount intercooler, everything like that. I've got a short InGen intake with a heat shield. I've got a Cobb short inlet pipe for the turbo. I've got a GFB response that can be ran to atmosphere or recirc. At the moment I've got to run and recirc because the car's better at recirc. But I got a big bore Warner turbo at home with external gate and everything that me and Alex are going to be putting on, which you'll see in like the next couple of videos. Oh, hence why I've got the Hankook Ventus RS4 semi-slicks, because I'm going to need grip for the power we're going to be making in this baby. So that's enough for my car. We'll check out Alex's car now.
My name is Alex, the second RSK member. That's enough about Brandon's car. I'll take you through my personal car now. I've got a 2013 FG XR6. It's currently on some all black MC racing wheels, 20 by 8.5 on the front. And if we come to the rear, we have a 20 by 9.5 lowered on some coilover, padded coilover springs. That's sitting pretty low there.
You can't even get your finger in there.
Yep, you can't even fit your finger in there. It's very impractical, but that's how I like it. It's running a X-Force catback exhaust.
Oh, she's loud.
Apart from that, the car's pretty much stock, very clean. So that's mostly everything about my car. I'll show you under the bonnet, but apart from that, it's pretty much stock. Alright, so this is under the engine bay, pretty much stock apart from high performance air filter there. This car is mainly my provisional license car. Soon in the next 4 months we're upgrading to a 500 kilowatt XR6 turbo ute, so there's more videos coming on that soon. And apart from that, we'll run you through what's good for the channel and what you're going to be seeing from us later.
Alright guys, so that's enough of our cars. We've obviously got some big things planned for our cars, especially mine. That'll be like soon to come. Yeah, we've got some big things planned for this channel.
So soon coming, we've got some general maintenance servicing stuff. We've got some high performance big boost modifications coming, but until then we're going to try and organise some car meets, you know, with you guys.
One of our own.
Yeah,
one of our own.
One of our own, you know, showcase.
Comment down below if you'd come.
Showcase some of your guys' cars, meet some of you guys, get some ideas off you guys. But until then, like, subscribe, leave a comment, maybe some ideas of what you'd like to see in the future.
Hit that shit.
But until then, roll the outro.
Yeah. Oh no!